Motorcycles are more than machines. They're a canvas for innovation, and some inventions take riding to a whole new level. In this video, we're diving into the most impressive motorcycle gadgets and accessories that boost safety, comfort, and performance. From smart helmets and throttle locks to handlebar mounts and ergonomic upgrades, these innovations let riders tackle the road with confidence and style. Whether you're commuting, touring, or chasing high-speed adventures, these cutting-edge motorcycle inventions prove how modern design and technology can turn every ride into a smarter, smoother, and more thrilling experience. Asmax F1. The Asmax F1 motorcycle Bluetooth helmet headset represents how modern ride communication is evolving for today's connected riders. Designed for group travel and solo journeys alike, this smart helmet system combines Bluetooth connectivity with advanced mesh communication, allowing riders to stay linked across long distances without constant manual pairing. With support for multi-ride conversations, it keeps convoys organized and conversations clear while moving at speed. Smart voice control adds another layer of convenience, letting riders manage calls, music navigation prompts, and intercom functions without taking their hands off the handlebars. Built to handle real riding conditions, the system focuses on clarity by reducing wind and engine noise, helping voices stay natural even on highways. Fast charging and a secure mounting design make it practical for daily use as well as long rides, whether cruising city streets or touring open roads. This headset highlights how communication technology is becoming an essential part of the modern motorcycling experience. Favoto motorcycle cover. The Favoto motorcycle cover highlights how simple inventions can make a big difference in everyday riding life. Built for all-season use, this cover is designed to protect motorcycles from common outdoor threats like rain, sunlight, dust, and accidental scratches. It turns parking outdoors into a stress-free experience, whether your bike is parked overnight or stored for longer periods. The universal sizing approach allows it to fit a wide range of motorcycles, from scooters to full-size street and touring bikes. Durable fabric construction helps block moisture and UV exposure, supporting paint and component longevity over time. Small but smart details such as reinforced lock openings allow riders to secure their bike without removing the cover. Reflective elements also improve visibility in low light conditions, making the bike easier to locate at night. Easy to fold in store. This cover focuses on practicality, showing how everyday accessories can quietly protect and extend the life of a motorcycle. Yohulio alarm disc lock. The Yohulio alarm disc lock proves that powerful motorcycle security can come in a compact and smart design. Built for riders who leave their bikes in public or private spaces, this device works as both a tough physical lock and an intelligent alarm system. Once attached to the brake disc, its motion-sensitive alarm reacts instantly to any tampering, turning even the slightest movement into a loud warning that grabs attention and scares thieves away. The solid metal construction ensures durability for daily use in different weather conditions, making it a reliable companion for all seasons. Designed to fit most motorcycle and scooter brake discs, installation stays quick and simple without any hassle. A bright reminder cable helps prevent accidental riding with the lock engaged, while its compact size makes it easy to carry on every ride, showing how modern motorcycle security has evolved into smart, active protection. Lexin LXC3. The Lexin LXC3 shows how a simple motorcycle accessory can make everyday riding far more comfortable without relying on complex electronics or flashy features. Designed as a handlebar-mounted cup holder, it focuses on pure practicality for riders who commute daily or enjoy long touring rides. By keeping your drink secure and within easy reach, it reduces unnecessary stops and helps riders stay refreshed on longer journeys. The adjustable mounting system allows it to fit a wide range of motorcycles, from compact scooters to large cruisers, making it a versatile add-on for almost any setup. Built to handle road vibrations, The holder stays stable even on uneven surfaces, while its flexible grip supports different cup and bottle sizes. Easy to install and effortless to use, the LXC3 blends naturally into the bike's layout, proving that smart design can quietly improve the riding experience without taking focus off the road. Fanaue Da 100 Pro. The Fanaue Da 100 Pro shows how a smart mounting accessory can make modern motorcycle riding more efficient and organized. Rather than focusing on speed or power upgrades, this compact swivel arm improves how riders interact with essential devices on the road. It is designed to securely hold smartphones, GPS units, or action cameras, allowing riders to place screens exactly where they need them for quick glances and true hands-free use. The adjustable double-socket design offers smooth angle control, making navigation, route tracking, or recording rides feel natural and distraction-free. Built for durability, it suits daily commuting, long touring rides, and even off-road use. Easy to integrate with common mounting systems, the Da 100 Pro proves how small accessories can quietly enhance safety, visibility, and overall riding convenience. Nelson-Rigg Motorcycle Tank Bag. The Nelson-Rigg Motorcycle Tank Bag represents how smart storage can transform the riding experience. Designed for riders who value organization and accessibility, this tank bag keeps everyday essentials within easy reach while staying secure on the bike. Positioned on the fuel tank, it allows quick access to items like phones, maps, wallets, and tools without needing to dismount. Built for different riding styles, it suits commuters, long-distance tourists, and adventure riders alike. The design focuses on durability and stability, helping the bag stay firmly in place even during spirited riding or rough roads. Clear top pockets make navigation devices easy to view while riding, reducing distractions and unnecessary stops. With thoughtful compartment layouts, riders can keep gear neatly arranged instead of digging through backpacks or side luggage. More than just storage, this tank bag highlights how practical accessories can make rides smoother, more organized, and far more enjoyable from start to finish. Craftsman Tire Inflator. The Craftsman Tire Inflator shows how essential portable tools can enhance every rider's experience. Designed for motorcycles and other vehicles, this compact air compressor makes maintaining proper tire pressure quick and hassle-free, whether on long tours, daily commutes, or roadside emergencies. Its digital display offers precise readings in PSI, bar, kPa, or kilograms per square centimeter, while automatic shutoff prevents overinflation, ensuring safety and convenience. Lightweight and cordless, it's easy to store under the seat or in a pannier ready whenever needed. Multiple inflation modes make it versatile enough for tires, sports balls, and other inflatables. A built-in LED light adds extra usability during nighttime stops, and included adapters cover a range of tasks. By combining portability, precision, and reliability, the Craftsman Tire Inflator highlights how thoughtful accessories keep motorcycles performing at their best, and riders prepared for any situation on the road. Artago 32. The Artago 32 demonstrates how advanced engineering can push motorcycle security to an entirely new level. Built for riders who take protection seriously, this high-end disc lock combines strength, intelligence, and precision in one compact design. Its triple locking system, featuring a hardened steel shaft and multiple locking balls, offers strong resistance against cutting, prying, and heavy impact attacks. Certified Sold Secure Gold and Class SRA, it meets some of the highest security standards across Europe, proving its reliability beyond basic protection. The optional 100 and 120 decibel alarm adds an active deterrent, instantly alerting riders and passers-by to tampering and discouraging theft attempts. With anti-drill and anti-pick mechanisms, the Artago 32 is built to face real-world attacks while remaining practical for daily use, delivering serious peace of mind in a portable form. Puersi Helmet Holder. The Puersi Helmet Holder is a smart and practical accessory that makes storing motorcycle helmets simple, safe, and well organized. Designed for wall mounting, It features a rotating hook with wide-angle movement that securely supports full face, open face, and sport helmets without causing scratches or cluttering the floor. Built using aerospace-grade aluminum and stainless steel, it delivers strong durability, rust resistance, and a stable base for everyday use. The adjustable rotation easily accommodates different helmet sizes and shapes, while select versions include an extra lower hook for jackets, gloves, or keys, turning it into a compact storage hub. Ideal for garages, homes, or entryways, this holder keeps helmets off shelves and floors, protecting both the outer shell and inner lining. With its sturdy build and thoughtful design, the Puersi helmet holder transforms unused wall space into a clean, accessible gear station ready for every ride. Kadier KDRM26. The Kadier KDRM26 is a premium motorcycle smartphone holder built for riders who need secure, vibration-free access to their devices while riding. Designed with a vibration-absorbing air mount, it cushions your phone from engine buzz and rough roads, keeping navigation and app use smooth and readable. The Devil Horn grip system with adjustable guide arms holds phones firmly in place, while the aluminum alloy mount and reinforced plastic body deliver strong durability for city riding or tougher terrain. Compatible with most modern smartphones, it supports a wide range of sizes without compromise. Its double joint mount allows precise angle adjustment, and installation is quick with adapters for different handlebar sizes. Ideal for sport bikes, cruisers, and adventure motorcycles, the KDRM26 turns your phone into a stable on-the-go hub for navigation, music, and connectivity, making every ride safer and more connected. Global Vision Kickback 3. The Global Vision Kickback 3 proves that proper eye protection is just as important as a helmet for serious riders. These black, foam-padded riding sunglasses are designed to handle real road conditions, not just style. The set includes 3 interchangeable lenses, clear, smoke, and yellow, so riders are ready for low light, bright sun, or heavy glare at any moment. Shatterproof polycarbonate lenses with UV 400 protection shield eyes from wind, dust, debris, and harmful rays while keeping vision sharp at speed. Vented foam padding blocks strong gusts and helps prevent fogging, while soft rubber ear pads ensure a secure, comfortable fit under helmets. Finished with matte black soft touch frames, they fit a wide range of face shapes, making them ideal for commuting, touring, or long rides with all-day comfort and clarity. FOD Sports Cup Holder. The FOD Sports Cup Holder makes staying hydrated on the road easier and safer without forcing riders to stop. Designed as a smart handlebar-mounted accessory, it securely holds water bottles, coffee mugs, sports drinks, or handled cups up to 32 ounces, keeping beverages within easy reach. Built from heavy-duty aluminum alloy with TPE rubber padding, it resists bumps, vibration, and scratches, while keeping drinks stable even on rough rides. The full wrap frame grips cups firmly, while the adjustable rotation allows riders to fine-tune the angle for comfort and accessibility. Compatible with both round and square handlebars, this universal holder works on motorcycles, scooters, ATVs, bicycles, and even carts. Quick to install in just minutes, it's a simple yet practical upgrade for commuting, touring, or trail riding, adding hands-free convenience to every journey. Sena Phantom ANC. The Sena Phantom ANC is a smart helmet built for riders who want comfort, connectivity, and advanced technology in one seamless package. Instead of bulky external accessories, this fully integrated helmet combines audio communication, active noise cancellation, and smart lighting into a clean, modern design. With Mesh Intercom 3.0 and Wave Intercom technology, riders can stay connected in groups or across networks with a wireless range of over 1 kilometer. The active noise cancellation reduces wind and engine noise by up to 20 decibels, keeping music, calls, and intercom conversations clear while reducing fatigue on long rides. Premium Harman Kardon tuned speakers, Bluetooth 5.3 with OTA updates, and built-in front lighting add everyday convenience. LED brake-activated taillights improve visibility and safety, while the aerodynamic shell, flush controls, and ambient mode ensure a quieter, smarter, and more enjoyable riding experience. Motorcycle bike handlebar. The Tyler aluminum alloy. Motorcycle handlebar mount kit is a game changer for riders who want cinematic action footage on every ride. Built for durability and stability, this mount securely attaches action cameras like Insta360 or GoPro models to motorcycle and bike handlebars, capturing every twist, turn, and high-speed moment with confidence. Its double aluminum alloy clamp fits a wide range of tube sizes, making it compatible with most handlebars, frames, and outdoor setups. Anti-slip pads and a locking anti-fall design keep the camera steady even on rough terrain. The included extended selfie stick unlocks immersive POV and wide-angle shots, while dual socket arms and a full rotation ball head allow flexible positioning without adjusting the entire mount. With shock-absorbing anti-vibration construction, this kit delivers smooth, professional-looking footage, making it a must-have tool for riders and creators chasing dynamic visuals on every adventure. Atlas Throttle Lock. The Atlas Throttle Lock is a smart mechanical accessory that delivers a cruise control feel to motorcycles without relying on complex electronics. By using controlled friction against the throttle tube, it holds your chosen throttle position and helps reduce wrist and hand fatigue during long rides. Unlike electronic systems, it doesn't automatically adjust speed, but the mechanical lock keeps the throttle steady, while still allowing instant override with a simple twist of the grip. Designed for a universal fit, the Atlas installs easily between the throttle housing and grip flange, with top or bottom mount options to suit different motorcycles. A thumb-activated switch lets riders engage or disengage the lock quickly, making it ideal for highways, touring routes, or long open roads. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, the Atlas Throttle Lock enhances comfort and control, turning long-distance riding into a smoother and more relaxed experience.